Magnitude 5.6 earthquake affected country. Antarctic 713 miles from Salvador. Falkland Islands. The South Shetland Islands are a group of Antarctic islands, lying about 120 kilometers north of the Antarctic Peninsula, with a total area of 3,687 square. Nearby Tolhun, Argentina 966.5 kilometers, 600.6 mi. SE. Ushuaia, Argentina 976.4 kilometers, 606.7 mi. SE. Punta Arenas, Chile 1223.5 kilometers, 760.3 mi. SE. Rio Gallegos, Argentina 1313.9 kilometers, 816.4 mi. SE. Puerto Natales, Chile.
Thank you for watching. Please subscribe to us on YouTube. If you like, donate to us, visit home on the page PayPal.